here at Chronically Beautiful. We're doing everything we can to live our best life, even though we probably don't feel like it. Today, I am excited to share my latest haul. We had another snow day today. My husband and I both happened to get the day off, so we did our usual snow day thing, which is go to lunch and do a little shopping. So today we went to Christmas tree shop because it's just, why not? Random store, you never know what you're going to find. So we are going to check out some cool and random nonsense that we picked up at the Christmas tree shop. Thanks for coming, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment below, do you like videos like this? Should I keep doing hauls? Would you rather I get out of the haul business? Let me know. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified of all my future uploads. Let's dive right in. All right, guys. We have this cool bag. One of the cool things I like about Christmas tree shop is, let's move this, that they have these giant cool bags. So I got this one because it reminds me of my favorite up north place to visit. Hashtag Pine Lake. So we'll start with the bag itself. It's always a cool thing. And then you don't have 65 million little plastic bags running around your house. So let's see. We got some veggie straws, which are delicious and supposed to be good for you, although it's probably not good for you. And they are gluten-free and they're awesome, and they were on sale for $1.38, so you can't beat that. Yum. Veggie straws. Next up, we got these things. I love these things, and the Christmas tree shop is like the only place I can find them. They're very strange. I'm going to open one so you can see. They're called baked frosted rice snacks, and they're kind of sweet. Sorry, it's going to be loud. So they are these little things, these little guys that look like this, and they come in a little 2-pack, and they're like $3. You get 10 of these to-go packs. And they're very like light and airy and crispy. They're so good. They have a very mild sweetness. On this side, there's like a crusty little sweet part. And then on the other side, it's just like kind of rice cakey, but like all one piece rather than rice cakes that have like little things. Pieces of rice, probably. So again, these are called, they're from the brand Comida. And they're baked frosted rice snacks. I'll link stuff below if I can find it, because these are really good. Again, the only place I've ever seen them is at their Christmas tree shop. So weird and random. The next thing we picked up were my husband's favorite snacks, these buffalo flavored pretzel crisps. And he just loves these. They were $1.99. I can't eat them, but I bet they're really good. Really exciting stuff here. Q-tips. Who doesn't need those? We also ran to the Dollar Tree where I got this little temporary hair dye stuff. Nate is really into dyeing his hair different crazy colors. And of course we only do it with temporary color. So we'll see if he wants to try this. It's kind of a greenish color. Fun stuff. Also got some little headbands to use to get my hair out of my face when I'm doing makeup. And some fun Mardi Gras necklaces for an upcoming fundraiser we're having at my school. That is a Mardi Gras prom event. Really excited. Okay, 2 things I got. These are health related items. So this is a Neti Pot. It is a really fancy one. It comes with a filter on it. So they say that you are definitely not supposed to Neti Pot with tap water because you could get like a brain amoeba or something.
There's a silent killer out there. It sneaks into your body through your nose and literally eats your brains.
And I just don't have it in my, oh, and it came with some little packets as well. I just don't have it in my life to be able to go and boil water every day. So this particular Neti Pot, they say, is on the floor.
Did I do that?
So this particular Neti Pot comes with a filter so that you can just use tap water. And it looks like this. There's a little gasket on it. And so this is supposed to microfilter the water so that you don't need to boil it. It meets the CDC recommendation for nasal washing with tap water. So I do really enjoy this. I will say though, if you're a Neti Potter, it's a little different to use than a normal one. It definitely lets you know when it's time to replace it because it's almost impossible to squeeze water through it, which is nice so you don't overuse it. It's all gross. And then I also got these Xlear or clear. I don't know how to say this. We talked about this when we cleaned out my purse too. But this is a Neti Pot sinus rinse. They also make a nasal spray. It contains xylitol. So xylitol is supposed to be, it's an all-natural compound that bacteria has a hard time sticking to. So when you use it as a sinus rinse or you use the nasal spray, a lot of gum will have xylitol in it, and even toothpaste, because it creates an inhospitable environment for bacteria. So I like to keep these around. I don't use them every day because they're really expensive. But if I'm not feeling well or somebody around me is sick, I'll definitely throw one of these into the mix of my Neti Pot. But normally I just use like the basic, whatever comes with the pot, or the Meal Med ones that you buy at the grocery store. I will say it tastes kind of sweet and feels a little bit weird, and the packs are humongous. So interesting stuff here. Highly recommend though if you are a Neti Potter looking for something that's like gives you that extra zoom. All right, I got this dry shampoo. It was normal price $8, on sale for $1.49. They were trying to clearance all of them out. It is Ren Pure Lavender Mint Dry Shampoo, Cool and Revived. Revives oil, removes oil and dirt, matte finish, clean look and feel, zero sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, phthalates, propylene glycol. So I just thought this sounded interesting. I liked the smell, and I'm always trying to find a good dry shampoo that I really like. And this is a huge bottle, and it was $1.49. Let's spray a little on. Oh, it does. It smells nice, and I don't see a bunch of white junk in my hair. Do you? We'll try it tomorrow morning. My hair is curly today, and I'd like to keep that going tomorrow. So we're gonna there we go. So we're gonna give this a whirl tomorrow. We'll see if it works. Right now I'm loving the Herbal Essences dry shampoo. It's just nice. I also picked up some gluten-free pasta. Again, the only place I can ever find this particular brand is at Christmas Tree Shop, and it is my favorite. If you are gluten-free, this is really, really good pasta. I think it's $2.49 for this giant bag, 16 ounces. It is Gold Bombs, naturally healthy, naturally delicious, all natural brown rice pasta. I don't like any gluten-free pastas that have corn because they get really mushy. So this is a really nice one. It stays very firm when you cook it.
That's what she said.
It is delicious. They have cool little curly noodle shapes. So again, this is my favorite gluten-free pasta. Only place I can find it is there, and it's only $2.50, which if you are gluten-free, you know that everything is so expensive. So again, I'll link this if I can find any information about it. Dog treats. I don't go anywhere without buying Bernie some dog treats. Can't help it. But these are Kaylee's Kitchen Simply Healthy Dog Treats, lamb with flaxseed. No wheat, no corn, no soy, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. She does eat a lot of junk food, but I try my best to get her some good stuff when I can find it. Toothpaste. Boring.
I'm bored.
Furniture repair kit, because we have some scratches that I want to try to fix. I don't know if these markers and crayons in various shades of brown will work, but for $2 or $3, I'm willing to give it a try. This is a new item that I've never tried before. I really, really love the Sambucol elderberry gummies and elderberry syrup, and all of their stuff is awesome. This is by Quantum Health, TheraZinc elderberry tablets. So they are lozenges, and they were very, very fair pricing. I think they were like $2. So I'll give them a whirl.
I'll give him a whirl.
It sounds interesting, and there's not a ton of scary ingredients. So just one of those stay healthy kind of things. I always like to do something with the elderberry
Your father smelt of elderberries.
juice whenever I feel like I've got something coming on. It really does help. So we'll try these. Okay, now for the fun stuff. I got some makeup, not a ton, but a few things. We got these from Essence, Vibrant Shock Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I don't know when I'd ever use this, especially on my lashes. They were on clearance, so like why not for $2? But it is definitely a tiny little brush that you would make your brows purple. I'll probably use it as mascara, maybe just for like the lower lash line. I think that might be fun. So it came in, I got a purple one and a red one. The exact shades are Be Fun and Lila. And this one is Go Berry. So I just thought this was the weirdest thing. I feel like I maybe saw Tati review these. I don't, maybe just for like a costume situation, but I loved the colors. They're just so pretty. They were $2. I would use them for mascara. Probably not in my brows, although I don't know, maybe. If I weren't filming another video after this, I'd probably try at least the red one, but I don't want to look crazy in my next video just in case. But yeah, so we'll see. Have you used these? How do you use these? Essence Vibrant Shock Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. Let me know. What are your thoughts on these guys? Okay, next item I got was this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Compact Makeup. I love this stuff. It's like a very, very soft, buttery powder. And it is usually really, really expensive. It's hard. It's almost like a liquid powder situation. I don't know. It's one of the only, it doesn't claim to be that, but that's how I feel about it. It's like a very, very moist powder. Sorry, I know everybody hates that word, but I can't think of another one. It's just really, really a nice finish. So if I don't feel like doing foundation or I definitely need a touch up, I always keep one of these in my desk at work for concerts in the evening so I can touch up everything. So it is pretty nice, and the stuff's usually $12, $13, and it was on sale for $4. So I definitely grabbed the only one they had in my color. I grabbed it. The next item I got, again for 50% off clearance, look at the tag off, is this Essence. It's got all the tags stuck to it. Shape Your Face Contouring Palette. And let me get so it looks like a blush, a highlight, and a bronzer. And actually, I don't know that this is a highlight. I think it's just a light powder. It is. It's just a light powder. They all are matte finish, which I thought was really cool because usually these are like Shine City and super shimmery, which I love, but sometimes it's nice to just have all matte finish, and it was on sale half off for like $3. So really loving it. It's a beautiful blush color. I love the bronzer. It's nice and cool, so that will be a nice contour. This will be just a really nice thing to like throw in the purse for touch-ups, travel, etc. And I like Essence blushes, so hopefully these will work out. And my font, is it? We did get some Valentine's presents for the kids, but I can't show you that. So my final item that I'm showing you today is this Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil. I thought that this was really pretty, and it was on sale for $1.39. And it was usually $4.99, so I was pretty psyched about that. I'm not going to open it right now because I am just hauling and I don't feel like ruining my nails to get all these stickers off. But it's just a basic bronzer. It's very warm and light, so this is going to be good for me for winter because it's really not a very dark bronzer. But I love Wet n Wild bronzers. They're very buttery. They go on really nice and smooth. They're easily blendable, so oh, I almost just dropped it and broke it. I'd have been so mad. $1.39 down the drain.
Why, God, why?
Okay, so that's my final item. So that's all the crap I bought today. And I don't know if you enjoyed watching it or not, because I don't know. I just don't know. I really enjoy watching haul videos. I don't know why. They're just kind of soothing. So that's why I've started doing them. If you think that these are a terrible idea, please let me know in the comments. If you want me to keep filling you in on this kind of stuff, letting you know what kind of stuff is happening at whatever store I'm at that week. So this week, this is what's happening at the Christmas tree shop. Pretty cool. I don't know if you have those in your area, but we have them here in southeastern Michigan. So thanks for joining me. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, thumbs up, all that jazz.
You like jazz?
Thanks for coming. Take care of you.